Hi everyone, today's headlines. Tesla coming to India next year, confirms Nitin Gadkari. Centre calls farm leaders for fresh talks on December 30. Two primary contacts of UK returnees in Bengaluru test COVID-19 positive. Nagaland detected 14 new cases of COVID-19 yesterday, tally nears 12,000 mark. Compulsory testing for all who entered Nagaland after December 20. MHA extend COVID-19 surveillance till January 31. Chinese citizen journalist jailed for 4 years for Wuhan reports. 1,500 mobile towers damaged in Punjab amid farmers' anger against Jio. News in details. Tesla coming to India next year, confirms Nitin Gadkari. Tesla will come to India early next year, country's Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari told the national daily The Indian Express on Monday. The electric car maker will start with sales and then might look at assembly and manufacturing based on the response, the minister told Indian Express newspaper. Tesla and the minister office could not be immediately reached by Reuters for comment, though keen to reduce its oil dependence and cut down on pollution. India's effort to promote electric vehicles have been so far stymied by a lack of investment in manufacturing and infrastructure such as charging stations. The first model to be launched will be Model 3, the cheapest among Tesla vehicles with prices starting at $74,739, according to a report in the Economic Times on Saturday. Centre calls farm leaders for fresh talks on December 30. A stalemate over agri laws continues. Centre invites farmer for fresh talks on December 30. The centre on Monday invited protesting farm union leaders for a fresh round of talks to end the ongoing impasse over the agricultural laws on December 30. In a letter to 40 farmer union, Agriculture Secretary Sanjay Agarwal has invited them for the meeting at 2 p.m. at Vigyan Bhavan in the national capital. Two primary contacts of UK returnees in Bengaluru test COVID-19 positive. Tracking the primary and secondary contacts of UK returnees, the State Health Department has detected a large number of people connected with them. The move comes at a time when the Indian Council of Medical Research has not released the genetic sequence finding of COVID patients who have returned from the UK. The BPMP, for instance, has found 45 primary and 9 secondary contacts of the 15 COVID-positive UK returnees, while one more returnee residing in the East Zone was tested COVID positive on Monday. The BPMP has so far found 2 contacts of the patient to have contracted the infection. One of the contacts is from the West Zone, while the other is from Dasarahalli, said Dr. Vijayendra BK, Chief Health Officer, Public Health, BPMP. Nagaland detected 14 new cases of COVID-19 yesterday, tally nears 12,000 mark. Nagaland detected 14 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the total count in the state to 11,911, updated Health Minister S. Pangiform yesterday. The total tally of positive cases nears the 12,000 mark. Out of new cases detected yesterday, 5 cases were in Mogotchuk, 3 in Peren, and 2 each in Dimapur, Kifuri, and Kohima. Also, 13 cases detected yesterday are from among the traced contacts and 1 in returnee or traveller. Active cases stands at 243. Compulsory testing for all who entered Nagaland after December 20. In view of the emergence of a new variant strain of COVID-19 from United Kingdom, all persons, both Indian and foreign nationals, who reached Nagaland after December 20 have been asked to report to respective district task force on COVID-19 for compulsory testing. In a circular issued in this regard, Health and Family Welfare Principal Director Dr. Vizule Z. Zukre also asked those arriving after the issue of the circular to self-declare at the point of entry, inform the DTF and self-isolate for necessary standard testing protocols. MHA extend COVID-19 surveillance till January 31. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued an order on Monday extending the COVID-19 guidelines for surveillance till January 31. In a letter, Union Home Minister Ajay Bala asks all states to instruct the concerned authorities to support the Union Health Ministry in identification, preparation of database, vaccine delivery, storage, security shipment, and vaccination of beneficiaries. The letter said The government of India has started preparation for administration and rollout of vaccine for COVID-19, under which healthcare workers, frontline workers, persons above 50 years of age and those below 50 years with comorbidities have been prioritized. Chinese citizen journalist jailed for 4 years for Wuhan reports. A court in China on Monday jailed a citizen journalist for 4 years for her non-sanctioned reporting from Wuhan as the COVID-19 outbreak unfolded earlier this year, accusing her of provoking trouble. Zhang, 37 years, is a former lawyer who, like several other Chinese citizen journalists, traveled to Wuhan in late January and early February, motivated to tell the story of what was unfolding in the city, which had been locked down on January 23. At the time, information coming out of Wuhan was sparse, with authorities only on January 20 confirming the new virus circulating in the city since early December could spread between people. Mrs. Zhang live video report showed a city in full lockdown and the situation in hospitals, and she was often critical of the government's belated response during the early stages of the outbreak. 1,500 mobile towers damaged in Punjab amid farmers' anger against Jio, Amarendra Singh issues warning. More than 1,500 of Reliance Jio 9,000 telecom towers in Punjab have been put out of action allegedly by farmers protesting against the farm laws disrupting services in the parts of the country. A representative of the telecom company told that the towers have taken a hit due to physical damage, power disruption or theft of generator. Chief Minister Captain Amarendra Singh issued a stern warning on Monday against vandalization of mobile towers and disruption of telecom services in the state and asked the police to take strict action in such cases. Over the last week, farmers have been venting anger against Reliance, snapping power supply, cutting cables of telecom towers and damaging infrastructure of the firm owned by Mukesh Ambani, seen as one of the major beneficiaries of the farm laws. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.